हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्ट्रेच क्लासेस। आज हम प्लस वन के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। प्लस वन में लेक्चर वन ऑन द न्यू चैप्टर नंबर 5, लीनियर इनइक्वालिटी। The chapter 4 is over. Now, introduction about the linear inequality. Linear word is saying to us the straight line. Linear means one power of the variable. Linear means if graph we want to draw linear equation, then straight line. So linear word is the only 1 degree polynomial. Okay, linear in one variable. Okay, now we can say here now introduction like that if any quantity is saying less than 50, we are saying the temperature less than equal to 50 degrees Celsius. So means less than equal to, yani we can say maximum temperature this year approximately will be 50 degrees Celsius. So this example is like that statement given. So how can write? We can write less than and because maximum 50 degree. तो मीन्स लेस देन 50 आल्सो पॉसिबल। तो मैक्सिमम 50 डिग्री को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करें? तो उसको रिप्रेजेंट करने का एक तरीका हो गया हमारा इनइक्वालिटी, इक्वल एंड लेस देन एंड ग्रेटर देन आल्सो यूजिंग। तो लेस देन ग्रेटर देन सिंपल, लेस देन ग्रेटर देन यू नो इक्वल with that, less than equal and greater than equal. These symbols. I said that one example. So how can I net temperature is T variable. So T is maximum temperature, maximum in Celsius. Maximum means less than and equal 50 degree, which I said 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, understand this, 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now this much temperature is maximum, so we can write T degree equal to this temperature 50 degrees C. Okay, or we are saying we can say any market example. In the market, if any person goes to purchase some item, he has in his pocket money 500 rupees. So then he can purchase the items of maximum cost 500 rupees, all items. So now that amount in rupees, to let x rupees, amount in rupees like x, that will be maximum 500. So less than and equal to 500. Like that, we can make the equation, and these inequation because here equal with equal, less than or greater than symbol is there. Due to that inequality, equality, equal. Okay, let in the example we can say like two quantities are there. Any person can purchase maximum three ball and maximum two bats. Three balls, two bats. So two bats, let one bat Y and ball X. So 3x plus 2y. Two bats purchase and maximum cost 50. 500. Maximum cost 500. So इनका addition maximum 500 to less than and equal 500. Understand? If any person want to purchase the three balls and two bats. So two bats, let bat represented by y, cost of one bat y, and cost of one ball rupees x. तो बॉल कितने की हो गई? थ्री बॉल्स 3x रुपीज एंड टू बैट्स 2y रुपीज. इफ वन बैट कॉस्ट y रुपीज, तो टोटल मस्ट बी लेस देन इक्वल टू 500 because he has in his pocket maximum rupees 500. मैक्सिमम है उस पर, तो मीन्स लेस देन इक्वल टू. मैक्सिमम है तो उससे कम में ये आ जाने चाहिए. ज्यादा में नहीं काम चलेगा, उसकी पॉकेट में ही नहीं. नॉट अलाउड द पॉकेट. So like this relationship with the help of the less than, greater than, less than and equal, greater than equal, that algebraic expression is called the algebraic expression. ठीक है? Introduction. Now definition also same this. What is definition? Here requirements. Introduction is requirement of the inequality. Due to that, definition. What is definition? Definition. An algebraic expression. Quantity है. Algebraic expression हो गया. An algebraic expression in one or two quantity. Then let's sign minus plus and less than, greater than, less than equal, or greater than and equal is called the inequality. Is called the inequality. Okay, it means it's clear. An algebraic expression in one or two quantity. Quantity means that variable. What are that quantity? X variable or Y variable we are taking. And that quantity variable lateral numbers we are saying. Algebra. In algebra, you know, these वेरिएबल वेरी करती हैं क्वांटिटी. एक डिपेंडेंट क्वांटिटी, दूसरी इंडिपेंडेंट. इफ टू क्वांटिटीज आर देयर, अदरवाइज वन क्वांटिटी ओनली. ओके, रिलेशंस with the signs that greater equal or greater equal or less than equal, anyone the sign with the help of the minus or plus, then that algebraic expression is called the inequality. Done. Example. What are the example? As we write in ax plus b, one variable greater than and c, where a should not be 0. A should not be equal to 0. A, B, C are real number. Are real number. Okay. First. Second example. Maybe ax greater than and equal 0, or maybe ax less than and equal b. Yes. And okay. So like that, or in two variable ax plus by plus c greater than equal 0, or less than equal 0, or greater than 0, or less than 0. This may be any. Okay. But here what? A, B should not be 0. A, comma B should not be 0. Okay. Then this linear inequality in two variable. A linear inequality in one variable. So maybe one variable, that one quantity, and maybe two quantity. Okay. So equation you know, only equal symbol was there in equation. Inequality greater than, less than equal, or greater than equal symbol with the plus minus sign in algebraic expression in one variable or in two variable, then that is called inequality. Done. So like this example you can take. Okay. So specific example you can write 3x greater than 20. This or example 2x 25x less than equal to 500. Okay. Like this, many examples you can write. X less than 12, x minus 32 less than equal, less than x minus 32 less than equal to 0. Okay, these are all examples in one variable. These are inequality, greater than only, less than equal to, less than only, in less than and equal to. Maybe anyone like this, we can say that are called the, okay, linear inequality. Okay, next. हाँ बेटा. Okay, now after definition we can solve the inequality. So question 1 in the exercise 5.1. Question 1 is solve 24x less than 100. This is one variable inequality. Okay, less than. So, first part, if x is a natural number, if x is a natural number, then solve it. If x is an integer, then solve it. तो अगर ये नेचुरल नंबर है x, तो वैल्यू क्या है फॉर द फर्स्ट पार्ट सॉल्यूशन सॉल्व किया तो मल्टीप्लाई वही सेम रूल सेम है जो इक्वेशन के रूल है तो 100 डिवाइड बाय 24 और 100 डिवाइड बाय 24 क्या बन गया 4 6 24 4 से 25 होगा ओके then this x less than 25 upon 6. अब फर्स्ट पार्ट के लिए x is a natural number तो for natural number for x is a natural number what will be answer natural number x is natural number so then what will be natural ये हो गया 6 4 जा 24 4 होल 1/6 4 होल 1/6 तो 4 होल 1/6 तो नेचुरल नंबर 4 होल 4 से ज्यादा है ये तो यहाँ है लेस देन तो लेस देन दिस नेचुरल नंबर कौन से हो गए 1 2 डायरेक्ट 3 and 4 ये वैल्यू होगी बिकॉज लेस देन 25/6 natural number start from 1 x belongs to so this implies x equal this so this implies x belongs to this set इसको बिलोंग करेगा 1 2 3 4 आंसर ओके सेकेंड पार्ट का सॉल्यूशन अब क्या है x इज एन इंटीजर अब इंटीजर इससे लेस देन अब लेस देन इंटीजर क्या होंगे अब इंटीजर तो 0 भी 1 भी 2 भी 3 इंटीजर 4 and less than -1 भी होगा -2 भी इंटीजर and so on सारे होंगे सारे लेस देन में आएंगे अप टू -infinity ओके so then this we can write so answer will be x belongs to किस सेट को बिलोंग करेगा ये -infinity तक -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 ओके इंटीजर तो इंटीजर सेट रिटर्न ये नेचुरल नंबर सेट आंसर अंडरस्टैंड तो यहाँ x की वैल्यू देखो कितने एलिमेंट हो गए बहुत सारे इनफाइनाइट less than 25.6 so like this solution understand now next question number yes beta next question number 2 solve -12x greater than 30 ये इनइक्वालिटी है तो इसमें कोफिशिएंट इफ मल्टीप्लाई कोफिशिएंट will go in divide but if it is negative मल्टीप्लाई इफ नेगेटिव देन डिवाइड में जाएगा अगर तो वो इनइक्वालिटी साइन चेंज हो जाता है ये रूल ध्यान रखना है ओके क्लियर बिकॉज -1 से मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड करेंगे तो जब माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो इनइक्वालिटी साइन चेंज हो जाता है क्यों एग्जांपल देख लो अब -3 है और -5 है। यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कौन सा ग्रेटर, विच इज ग्रेटर, -3 और -5? विच इज ग्रेटर? -3 is greater. This clear? Now multiply by -1 both sides. You can check. Multiply by -1. So now this will be 3 -3 to -1 3, and this will be +5. Now which is greater? Which is greater now? See this. So after multiplying by -1 to the inequality, inequality sign will change. If greater, then less. If less, then greater. So be careful about this. This one rule is a different rule from the equation. Otherwise, in the equation, same rule, positive will go other side, negative will go other side, positive multiply will go in divide, and divide will go in multiply. But when multiply number is negative and will go in divide, सिंपल यानी -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं इस केस में, इस पर ध्यान रखना है। ये चाहे 30 नेगेटिव हो पॉजिटिव हो, कोई अफेक्ट नहीं है। अफेक्ट विल बी ऑन द coefficient of the variable if negative, and it will go in divide only on this step. When multiply negative, coefficient negative will go in divide, then sign change. So this will be x greater than 30. अब ग्रेटर का क्या हो जाएगा? ग्रेटर का क्या बन जाएगा? less than, x less than 30 divided by -12. This, then this solve x less than, simplify. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 2 15, 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15. Is this is -5/2. So this inequality sign change, less than -5/2. Now you write first answer. So for answer first, 4x be natural number, 4x is natural. Okay, natural का मतलब नेचुरल नंबर्स लेस देन -5/2 है कोई? लेस देन -5/2 नेचुरल नंबर नहीं। लेस देन तो सारे नेगेटिव 5/2 से नेचुरल नंबर तो है ही नहीं, पॉजिटिव है ही नहीं, इंटीजर है, रियल नंबर है, नेगेटिव है। सो दैट्स व्हाई 4x इज नेचुरल नंबर. No value of x. No value of x be natural number. Okay, clear? ये क्लियर होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Here no answer. Then second part, integer. If x is an integer, okay, then less than 5/2, -5/2, less than -5/2. -5/2 means it is 2 to the 4, 2 whole 1/2, -2 whole 1/2. So -2 whole 1/2, negative side -3, -4, integer. So less than -5/2 integer will be equal to direct ये होंगे कितने? नेगेटिव तक जाएंगे, लेस देन तो ये -3 सबसे and -2, -4, minus 3 minus 4 and dash dash dash. These x इसको बिलोंग करेगा. Okay, x belongs to this. Less than this. Minus 3 minus 4 and minus infinity तक. So we can say solution x value less than and equal minus 3. Integer x is an integer यहाँ. ठीक है, तो इंटीजर सेट ये दे सकते हैं डायरेक्ट. ओके, ये नेचुरल नंबर कोई नहीं है, नो एम्प्टी सेट. x belongs to empty set. Yeah, x belongs to this set. Okay, so like this solution we should write. Done. The next question. Yes, next question number 3. Okay, solve 5x minus 3 less than 7. This inequality. First, when x is an integer, solution when x is a real number. First, solve it. Only minus 3 will go that side. 5x as it is here, less than as it is. Minus 3 will go plus 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, clear? Now x less than divided by 5, 2. Okay, less than 2, first part. Less than 2, integer. Less than 2 integer, infinity तक जाएगा. Less than 2 का मतलब minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Less than 2. This set x belongs to this. Solution. Done. Second part, less than 2 all real number. What we can write x as that x is a real number. Set greater for. ठीक है बेटा? X is a real number, comma x less than 2. This is the solution. Solution set. Okay? Set greater for. Less than 2 all real number. तो इंटरवल फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. और set interval for x belongs to real number less than 2 minus infinity open and 2 also open less than 2. This answer, or we can write this set, we can write in set x. In set 4, which this is set builder form, this is interval form, set interval form. Okay, open interval दोनों अगर इक्वल नहीं है, इक्वल है तो क्लोज्ड इंटरवल. You have done in the chapter set. Okay, रियल नंबर सेट को इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. सारे बीच के रियल नंबर आ गए, बहुत सारे हैं, उनकी लिस्ट हम नहीं बना सकते. ओके, अदरवाइज ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. डन. So now this solution done. Like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the other contact and guide them. They must watch, like, share and take interest, and you can see the all lectures of all chapters, all exercise of NCERT book solution from the YouTube. When you subscribe the channel and see the link of the last video in the descriptions of this video with the video this, you will get the last video's link also, all plus one videos you can get. Okay, so watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the feedback to get the your feedback in the comment box. I will be ready and I will try to remove the your queries. Okay, thank you.